Welcome back to Authentic, where we dive deep into the latest automotive releases, giving you all the insider details that truly matter. Today, we're unraveling the remarkable features and design elements of the 2025 MG HS, a car that has swiftly captured the attention of both enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Known for its blend of British heritage and modern engineering, the MG HS has been refined even further for 2025, making it a strong contender in the highly competitive SUV market. Let's dive into the details that set this vehicle apart from the rest. The 2025 MG HS showcases a bold and elegant exterior that turns heads on every street. The front fascia features a strikingly aggressive grille, flanked by sleek, angular LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility and a commanding road presence. These headlights are not just for show, they incorporate advanced adaptive technology that adjusts the light beam based on driving conditions, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency. The bonnet is sculpted with sharp lines that flow seamlessly into the car's aerodynamic profile, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. The side profile of the MG HS is equally impressive, with smooth contours and a dynamic stance accentuated by 19-inch alloy rims. These rims are a masterpiece in themselves, featuring a two-tone diamond cut finish that perfectly complements the vehicle's sporty character. The rear of the MG HS is defined by its distinctive LED tail lights, which are connected by a chrome strip that adds a touch of sophistication. The dual exhaust outlets are integrated into the rear bumper, providing a subtle hint at the car's performance capabilities. The panoramic sunroof, a standard feature in the 2025 model, floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the overall driving experience. Step inside the MG HS 2025, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends luxury with practicality. The interior is spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, offering both comfort and support, especially during long journeys. The driver's seat is power adjustable with memory functions, while the rear seats are designed to provide ample legroom and can be reclined for added comfort. The centerpiece of the interior is the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, which is fully customizable to display a variety of information, from navigation to vehicle status. Complementing this is a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a host of other connectivity features. Under the hood, the MG HS 2025 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a robust 231 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque. This power is channeled through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The car offers a 0 to 60 mph time of just 6.5 seconds, making it one of the quicker SUVs in its class. The MG HS 2025 also features an advanced all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability in various driving conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the MG HS is equipped to handle it all with confidence. One of the lesser-known facts about the MG HS 2025 is its extensive use of lightweight materials in the chassis and body panels. This not only improves fuel efficiency, but also contributes to the vehicle's agility and handling. Additionally, the MG HS is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all of which come standard. Another unique feature is the MG Pilot system, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long-distance travel less tiring and significantly safer. In conclusion, the MG HS 2025 is a well-rounded SUV that combines striking design, advanced technology, and powerful performance, making it an excellent choice for those who demand more from their vehicle. Stay tuned to Authentic for more in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest automotive trends.